Stop chasing. Stop reacting. Stop trying so hard. In a world where everyone screams for attention, the man who stays quiet becomes the most dangerous. This isn't about not caring. This is about caring smart. About being so sure of yourself that you don't need to prove anything to anyone. Think about it. The person who doesn't chase gets chased. The one who doesn't react gets respect. The man who stays calm in chaos, he gets power. Napoleon knew this secret. He said the man who loses his temper loses the battle. Because when you stay cool, others get hot. When you stay still, they get restless. When you say nothing, they reveal everything. Your silence becomes their weakness. Your calm becomes their storm. Here's what most people don't understand. Being unbothered isn't natural. It's trained. It's a skill you build, like a muscle you grow stronger every day. Most people are slaves to their feelings. Someone says something mean, they react. Someone ignores them, they chase. Someone challenges them, they fight back immediately. But the unbothered man, he watches, he waits, he chooses his battles like a chess master chooses his moves. Every time you don't react, you win. Every time you stay quiet when others expect noise, you gain control. Because people can't read you, they can't predict you, they can't control you. And what people can't control, they fear. What they can't understand, they respect. The unbothered man creates mystery. He becomes a puzzle that others want to solve. They think, why doesn't he care? Why doesn't he chase? What does he know that I don't? Their confusion becomes his advantage. Their curiosity becomes his power. Watch what happens when you stop explaining yourself. When you stop trying to make everyone like you. When you stop jumping into every argument or conversation. People start coming to you. They start asking for your opinion. They start treating you like you're important. Because in their minds, someone who doesn't need attention must be worth giving attention to. Someone who doesn't beg for respect must deserve respect. This is the trick the world doesn't want you to know. The less you chase, the more you get. The less you speak, the more people listen. The less you react, the more power you hold. But here's the hard part. Being unbothered means letting people misunderstand you. It means staying quiet when your pride wants to fight. It means walking away when your ego wants to win. Most people can't handle this. They need to be understood. They need to win every argument. They need everyone to like them. But the unbothered man knows something different. He knows that trying to control what others think is like trying to control the wind. It's impossible and it makes you look weak. Instead, he controls what he can control. His reactions, his words, his energy. He doesn't waste time on people who don't matter. He doesn't get upset about things he can't change. He saves his energy for what's important. This makes him rare. In a world full of people who react to everything, the man who reacts to nothing stands out. Napoleon also said, "I can fight a man who shows his anger, but I fear the man who shows nothing." Because unpredictable is dangerous. Calm is powerful. Silence is scary. Think about the people you respect most. Do they scream and shout? Do they beg for attention? Do they explain themselves all the time? No. They speak with their actions. They let their results do the talking. They stay cool under pressure. When you become unbothered, you become magnetic. People are drawn to what they can't fully understand. They chase what doesn't chase them back. Your mystery creates attraction. Your calm creates authority. Your silence creates tension. And tension is power. But don't mistake being unbothered for being cold. This isn't about not having feelings. It's about not letting your feelings control you. You can care deeply about something without showing it to the world. You can love someone without being desperate. You can want success without being hungry for approval. The unbothered man feels everything but shows only what he chooses. He's like a deep ocean, calm on the surface but full of life underneath. This takes practice. You have to train yourself not to react when someone insults you, not to chase when someone ignores you, not to explain when someone misunderstands you. Every time you bite your tongue instead of arguing, you get stronger. Every time you walk away instead of fighting, you get wiser. Every time you stay quiet instead of defending yourself, you get more powerful. Because the person who can control themselves can control anything. Here's what will happen when you master this. People will start treating you differently. They'll be more careful with their words around you. They'll ask for your opinion more. They'll respect your time better. Why? Because you've shown them that you don't need their approval. You don't need their attention. You don't need their validation. And people always want what they can't have. They respect what doesn't need them. The unbothered man doesn't compete with others because he's not playing their game. While they're fighting for scraps of attention, he's building his own empire. While they're reacting to every little thing, he's planning his next big move. While they're explaining themselves to everyone, he's letting his success speak for itself. This is how you flip the script. Instead of chasing respect, you make people chase yours. Instead of fighting for your place, you make others fight for your attention. Instead of proving your worth, you make your worth undeniable. But remember, this isn't about being mean. It's not about ignoring everyone or acting like you're better than others. It's about being selective with your energy. You don't owe everyone your time. You don't owe everyone your attention. You don't owe everyone your reaction. You choose what deserves your energy. You decide what's worth your time. You pick your battles like a warrior picks his weapons. The unbothered man isn't passive. He's strategic. He doesn't avoid conflict. He chooses when conflict is worth it. He doesn't hide from challenges. He faces them with calm. He doesn't run from problems. He solves them with clarity. This clarity comes from not being clouded by emotion. When you're not reacting to everything, you can see everything clearly. You can think better. You can plan smarter. You can act with purpose instead of impulse. Napoleon won battles not just because he was brave, but because he stayed calm. While his enemies panicked, he planned. While they reacted, he responded. There's a difference between reacting and responding. Reacting is automatic. Responding is chosen. Animals react. Humans can respond. But only the wise ones do. When someone insults you, you can react with anger or respond with silence. When someone challenges you, you can react with pride or respond with strategy. The unbothered man always responds. He never just reacts. This makes him unpredictable. And unpredictable is dangerous. Not dangerous in a harmful way, but dangerous because others can't manipulate him. They can't push his buttons because they don't know where his buttons are. They can't make him angry because anger is a choice he rarely makes. They can't make him desperate because he's already complete. He doesn't need their approval to feel good. He doesn't need their attention to feel important. This freedom is what makes him truly powerful. He's free from the need to impress. Free from the fear of being disliked. Free from the prison of other people's opinions. And this freedom shows. It radiates from him like light from the sun. People feel it even when they can't name it. They feel his strength, his peace, his power. This is why the unbothered man is never forgotten. In a world of noise, he is silent. In a world of chaos, he is calm. In a world of reaction, he is choice. He stands out not by being loud, but by being still. Not by demanding attention, but by deserving it. If you want to change your life, start here. Stop reacting to everything. Stop chasing everyone. Stop explaining yourself to people who don't matter. Start choosing your battles. Start protecting your energy. Start becoming the person who doesn't need anything from anyone. Because when you need nothing, you fear nothing. When you fear nothing, you can do anything. The unbothered man doesn't just survive in this world. He rules it. Quietly, calmly, completely. He becomes the eye of the storm. The calm in the chaos. The silence that speaks louder than any scream. This is not just a way to act. This is a way to live. A way to be powerful without being loud. Respected without being desperate. Feared without being mean. It's the path of the wise. The way of the strong. The secret of those who truly win. So stop chasing. Stop reacting. Stop trying so hard. Start being unbothered. Start being calm. Start being the person everyone else wishes they could be. Because in the end, the world doesn't remember the loudest voice. It remembers the strongest presence. And presence doesn't shout. It doesn't beg. It doesn't chase. It simply is. And that is enough. That is power. That is strength. That is being truly unbothered. Now go and show the world what real power looks like. Not with your voice, but with your silence. Not with your words, but with your actions. Not with your need, but with your completeness. Be unbothered. Be powerful. Be unstoppable. Because you already are.